Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Shayla Perception Colourpop collaboration, and I've ordered the whole collection really. I've got her palette here. Yeah, I've got the lipsticks here, 3 of them, and this is the lip gloss. So yeah, we're going to first go in with the eyeshadow. You know, cut creases is just everyone's go-to these days. But yeah, I'm going back in with Played Out. I'm just still putting that dark brown in my outer V. I'm trying to really create like an easy look. Something nice and vibrant. Now I'm just blending. It actually looks black. The brown's really nice and dark, so I would say that. The only downside about this palette as well is it does not have a black. I hate palettes that don't have a black, it's so annoying. But the dark brown is good enough really to pass for black because it's very dark. I see what you did there, Shayla. I'm going into this lighter colour here. I'm just going to buff it over the transition colour, and I'm going to really blend everything. I went into the shimmery colour. Oh, is it shimmery? No, it's not shimmery. Fucking hell, I just went into the shimmery colour. I'm going in with the shade Unbothered. I'm going to put this on my lid first and see how I'm liking it. I must say her eyeshadows are really pigmented. Like, really pigmented. Wow. I'm going to pretend as if I'm cutting my crease. I feel like adding some glitter to this look. In order to just smooth out the edges a bit, because I don't want it to really look like a cut crease, I'm going to go back in with that thick and culture colour. I'm just going to buff it out. Yeah, looking like, we need it looking like this. Now I'm just going back in with the Played Out dark brown shade. I'm just buffing it in. Just making sure everything is blended. I kind of want to just jazz this look up a bit because it's a bit like boring to me. So I'm going to go in with this shimmery purple shade here. And this shade is called Shade. The shade is actually called Shade. I'm just going to pat it here. Oh, the shade is so nice. Oh my gosh, I need to zoom in. So, I'm going back in on Sassy. And this eye look is just a disaster. What the fuck is on my face? Well, I'm going to go back in with Shade, the purpley one. And just do the same thing. I think this eye looks better than this one. I must say that the eyeshadows feel very smooth. I bet if Shayla saw this look, she'd be like, what? No, on the real, what is this? Maybe when I put some eyeliner on, it'll look better. It's the first time I've ever filmed like this, and I'm just... what the fuck? Like, I'm just confused. Yeah, I'm giving up with the eyeshadow. Just gonna do my transition. Just blend that out because my battery's about to die. So whilst it's charging, I might as well just do my face. And then we're gonna come back to put some highlighter on. and to see what these lipsticks are saying. I'm loving these lashes. Alright guys, so I've pretty much finished doing my face, and we're going to move on to swatching the lipsticks and seeing what this highlight is saying. The first highlighter I'm going to be using is Pose, and it's like a, I don't know, it looks like a peachy highlighter. So I'm taking my fan brush and I'm just it's not too bad. I'm trying, let me see if I can get some more on. The glow is not bad actually. Of course it doesn't give me Artist Couture vibes, but it's actually quite nice. And this Pose one's very nice and bronzy, so this would definitely be nice on dark skin girls. I like how Shayla thought about that actually, how she made highlighters to complement different skin tones. Now I'm taking Boomin'. So this is the other one. This one's got more of a yellow undertone. Sorry, I didn't really show you guys. This is Boomin'. And this is how Pose looks. So Boomin's the more yellow one, and Pose is more of a, I don't know, Pose is more of a like peachy undertone. So these are the two of them. So now we're going to try a Boomin'. Yeah, Boomin's defo booming, I guess. I like it. Yes, this glow actually is giving me my life. I think I like Boomin' better. This glow is actually really nice. I'm loving this kit so far. Like, this whole collection is absolutely beautiful. Like, this collection is making so much sense. Look at the glow. Yes, Shayla did that. So the next thing we're going to be moving on to is the lipsticks and lip gloss. We're going to be swatching the lipsticks now, and I've got them here, and the packaging, oh, the packaging is so nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try. The first shade we're going to be swatching is Ooh. No, in fact, let me do it the way Shayla does it. Ooh. That's what Shayla does. Alright, so I'm about to swatch it on our hand. In fact, I'm going to swatch it here. So that's Ooh. Oh, Ooh. Ooh. I can't even fucking do it. I'm done. So that's Ooh. I don't know which one I'm going to be using today, but whichever one. And this one is, oh, this one's a very nice, like, deep colour. This one is Common Sis. So this shade is like more of a pinky purpley mauve sort of colour, and it's called Come On Sis. Love it. And last but not least, we have Quickie. This is a very nice nude colour. I bet this is Shayla's favourite because I know Shayla loves her nudes. Very nice nude. As you can see, these Quickie and Ooh are very similar, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go with Quickies. I've got Quickie here. I'm not even gonna line my lips. You lots know I'm not a line your lips type of girl. So I'm gonna just go straight with the lipstick, Quickie. This lipstick's got a nice scent to it. You guys want to make sure your lips are moisturised before you put this lipstick on. And you can see mine are a bit dry. So I've got Quickie on my lips and I love it. It's a very nice nude. The lipsticks smell amazing. Like, they smell so nice. So I just want to point that out. That these lipsticks are smelling really good. The lip gloss packaging looks so pretty, and this is a Shayla times Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. I'm just going to put it on top because I'm feeling a bit of gloss today. Oh my gosh, it's got gold sparkles in it. I must say I really love this collection. Look at my lips, they are popping. That's that Shayla Ultra Glossy Lip. I love this collection so much. And I'm just going to round this video up and I'm going to nip it in a bud. So the eyeshadow palette is very, the eyeshadows are pigmented, look, as you lot can see. Even though I didn't really like my eyeshadow earlier, I think I kind of like it now. It's more on the smoky vibes. And I'm really here for it. You lot need to cop this palette because it's a mixture of matte shades, a mixture of shimmer shades, and it's very useful and that's very handy. It also has a mirror in the palette, and I find palettes that have mirrors in it like so handy because I don't need to, you know, use a mirror. I might be somewhere and I might not have a mirror, and my palette's got a mirror. So it's very helpful and very handy. I love the fact that Shayla incorporated that into her palette. And on top of that, the highlighters, look, it's a GetTheDamiGlow, look. Look, oh. The highlighters are absolutely stunning. Look at them. I'm loving it. It's very nice. It's not too big. It's quite small. But I know that, bruh, we're getting this whole collection for $60. Like, that's a bargain. That's a bargain. The lipsticks are very nice. I would say that lipsticks are a bit bland, you know. But I know Shayla is a nude girl. Like, let's be real, Shayla's always wearing nudes. I would have wanted more excitement, you know, more colours, like a bold purple, like a bold orange. Something that really, you know, made a statement. But I guess she was really going for that sort of warm tone, neutral tone, nudes sort of, you know, vibe. Because the palette as well, like I did say, the palette's pretty warm toned. The palette's pretty warm toned, like... It's got a lot of browns, oranges, coppers, golds. But yeah, I don't know what to say to you guys. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out my reaction videos. Also check out my other tutorials too. Like, check them out. Check it out. Like, let me know what you lot think. Let me know what you think about the Shayla collection. If you lot have it, comment down below. Let me know what's your favourite item, because I know right now, you lot know what's really standing out to me is the highlighters, because right now I'm getting my life and I'm glowing. So that's all that matters to me. This eyeshadow, I ain't really feeling it too tough. I don't mind it now, actually. I think it looks better now, but it is what it is. I'm gonna see you lots in my next video. I'm actually gonna use this Perception palette. I'm gonna use this to create a prom look, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, like, we're just gonna catch each other later. Like, see you later.